Come along, kids, don't be late. In the kitchen, it's time to create funny animals cooking today, with utensils in a magical way. Monkey with a spoon, I've got a spoon. I stir with delight, mixing the soup, oh what a sight.
Owl and oast, I whisk and I twirl, fluffy and light. Pancakes rising, oh what a bite.
Let's cook, in the kitchen we play, with pots and pans in a funny way. Animals dancing, foods on the go. Cooking with friends is the best show. Rabbit with a fork, I poke the veggies, crunchy and sweet. Carrots and beans, what a treat.
Bear with a pan,
my frying pan goes sizzle, sizz, snap. Flipping pancakes with a clap, 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 clap. Let's cook, in the kitchen we play, with pots and pans in a funny way. Animals dancing, foods on the go. Cooking with friends is the best show. Penguin with a pot,
my pot is bubbling, stew nice and hot. Fishy surprise, oh what a pot.
Fox with a knife,
chop, 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 I cut just right. Apples for pie, oh what a bite.
Panda with a rolling pin, roll, roll, roll. Nice and round, cookies and dough all over the ground.
Bob with the tongs,
Clap with my tongs, pick veggies so green. Dancing with beans, funniest scene.
dog with a
Ladle in hand, soup's ready to share. Slurp, 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 yum everywhere. Let's cook, hooray, hooray. Funny animals brighten the day, with spoons, pans, and rolling pins too. The kitchen is waiting for me and you, so clap your hands and sing along. Cooking with friends is so much fun.